So welcome back to Crealy Theme Park and Resort. We are just popping by to give you a construction update on the projects that are happening for spring for 2026. As you know, 2 brand new rides coming to Crealy for the forthcoming season, and we're here to celebrate a momentous occasion. No, not the new ride, the fact the sun is shining and it's actually stopped raining for once. Flip-flops are on, Wellington boots are away, and we're just about to show you the next stage of construction for our drop tower ride, Pirates Plummet. As you can see, the next piece is just about to be lifted in by crane and will go onto the base section, and we're very excited about this next step as we build the Southwest's tallest ride. So against a lovely sunlit blue Devon sky, second piece of Pirates Plummet is being lifted into position. You can see that it's been treated and painted with its first coat in its new colour scheme, its new theming. Still got a lot of work to do along the base, but the first job is to get it on the base. Very exciting. And even now, just looking up to the sky and seeing how high this ride's going to be, it's going to be amazing. The Southwest's tallest family thrill ride, set to open this spring here at Crealy. So the midsection is now on. As you can see, Mike, one of our engineers, is dropping in the pins to connect the bottom section to the midsection. We'll come back to you later on in the day to show you that final piece being lifted. But now we're at the second site of Crealy's second new ride for 2026. This is where Rotor is taking place. As you can see now, the concrete base has been poured. Still a little bit wet, which isn't a problem because we've got plenty of time for it to dry off. We've got teams coming from the Netherlands in a couple of weeks' time to start building the Zamperla air race. Lots of work has happened since we were last on this site. You can see that hardcore has gone down, and you can see the queue line area there where the external fence is going to be. You can see all the ducting is in place, where that cone is there. Next to the van, that's where the operator's kiosk is going to be. This is where our ride access pass area is going to be. You can see in the background our electric substation has been put in. That's where all the gubbins and the electrics for the ride are going to be housed. So a lot of work going on there. And then the theming pieces will be brought in a couple of weeks' time. Lots of high steels and flags. It's going to look amazing. We're really excited about this. So as and when we start to build, in a couple of weeks' time, we'll do another update and you'll be able to see the crane lifting the pieces into place as we start to build the Southwest's only inverted ride. Back on site at Pirates Plummet, you can see now we're just about to lift the third and final piece onto the tower, which will now make this the Southwest's tallest amusement ride. Once this piece goes on, then the real work starts. Attaching the cables and the hydraulics, putting the seats on, and then bringing the ride to life.